Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we'll be going to talk about 10 amazing construction tools and ingenious machines. Let's get started. Number 1. Roof Stake. Working with roofing demands care because too much impact or sloppy tool movement might damage the material, requiring you to rebuild a large portion. But to make the work easier, here's a 2-in-1 tool that combines a pry bar and a nail holder. The device is small. It measures 13 inches long and weighs roughly 1.4 pounds. The nail holder works well with a hammer and makes securing shingles much easier. The pry bar can also be used to easily remove all roofing, felt shingles, and other materials. According to the maker, the product will not only increase the quality of your job, but will also keep your fingers safe. Number 2. 4Jet Jetlaser. What's the best way to take your surface cleaning to the next level? With this laser technology, it's simple. It helps you to remove paint, grease, rust, and other forms of deposits without coming into touch with them. The surface is unaffected by the laser. It is both ecologically friendly and cost-effective. The system is so simple to run that it only takes a day to learn how to utilize it. The ergonomic design contributes to the convenience of adjusting and saving parameters. The cleaning line is also projected onto the surface. The speed is determined with the mode of operation. In 1 second, for example, rust can be removed from 1.24 to 1.54 square inches of the surface. Number 3. Katimex Kati Twist 2.0. Need to lay a cable quickly, but the path seems like a mountain road? This technique will help you save time, effort, and stress. The design is quite straightforward. It's a customized 65.6 foot wire with a rod attached. There is no need for electricity or tools. Simply click the cable's end to the rod and use the built-in clamp to pull it out. The cable can support up to 246.6 pounds and readily passes through even the tightest of bends. The device weighs 5.7 pounds and is comprised of impact-resistant polycarbonate. Furthermore, users of both left and right hand will be able to work comfortably. Number 4. Tube Straightener. This equipment, which looks like a pair of deformed garden shears, is used to mold pipes into the desired shape. Engineers in Taiwan are responsible for its creation. This company has been making similar tools for years, so the design is functional and well thought out. The tool is suited for dealing with copper, aluminum, and steel pipes, and it is very compact and does not require electricity. The quick fix mechanism secures the pipe and allows you to set the right band in seconds by tightening just one screw. The yellow roller, on the other hand, permits you to reduce superfluous movements. Number 5. Smart Box Short Tooth. What images do the phrase Smart Box conjure up for you? Something to do with smart homes? Yet another mobile device? How about something like this? This is the first product of its kind on the market. According to the manufacturers, it has a built-in saw that is patented. All you need is a drill and a few seconds to make a hole. If you need to install smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, outlets, lights, or other accessories, the box comes in useful. The maximum weight is approximately 6 pounds. It's composed of polycarbonate, which means it's resistant to heat and impact. At the same time, the box structure is extremely light. It only weighs roughly 0.3 pounds. Number 6. Trend Inflatable Wedge. Why not make an inflatable jack and see what happens? The technique may appear simplistic and unreliable, yet it can safely handle up to 300 pounds. The inflatable jack fits into a 0.08-inch cap and elevates objects to a height of around 2 inches. A polyurethane substance reinforced with specific fibers is used to form the structure. It is absorption resistant and can endure high pressure. You may easily utilize the jack by yourself. You can use either your hand or your foot to pump the air. Furthermore, the inflatable construction eliminates scratches and other faults that can arise when using a standard jack. Number 7. ELS 225.1. If workers had this sander, sanding ceilings and walls would be a lot easier. If not only boosts productivity by 60%, but also helps to prevent back, neck, and shoulder problems. Construction professionals assisted in the design of the machine, resulting in an ideal shape. An innovative method ensures a snug attachment to the ceiling or wall, making dust disposal easier. Thanks to the flexibility to adjust the down pressure finely, the sanding disc measures 8.9 inches in diameter and rotates at 1,600 RPM. These are also options for a smooth start and overload prevention. The device is essentially for dry finishing and it will help you save time and effort. Number 8. Connect Cable Tie Tensioning Tool. Cable ties can be found in the most unexpected settings, from offices to car engines. However, the situation a tool like this will come in handy. The pistol works with cable ties with a width of 0.1 to 0.2 inches. It is designed to be operated with one hand and weighs roughly half a pound. It will allow you to firmly fasten the tie and quickly and cleanly snip off any extra tie. A unique wheel can be used to quickly alter tension. There is also an automatic disconnect feature. Number 9. Pipecut Mini. This cordless pipe saw is described as a true multi-talent by its creators. With its small size, it can cut up to 140 times on a single charge and is capable of cutting a wide range of materials. Steel, copper, plastic pipes, mounting rails, drywall, and other materials are also available. This saw is multifunctional, as it may be used as a handsaw, disc saw, or milter saw. The instrument has a specific support surface and weighs 9.5 pounds. The device is powered by a cast battery that may also be used with another brands of equipment. You can collect chips with the help of small bag included in the package. Number 10. Poppies. If we need to remove the popcorn ceiling, this small gadget will come in handy. You can scrape the ceiling without leaving scratches, chipping, or other difficulties. Thanks to the unique blade, the blade may be adjusted, and when combined with a huge funnel, the amount of debris on the floor is kept to a minimum. The gadget weighs roughly 11.9 ounces and is capable with industrial vacuums. Although you can operate with any ceiling height, the manufacturer recommends 12 feet or less. It's easy to store and clean after work thanks to the plastic body. Working with this instrument will not be only more efficient and cleaner, but also safer according to the manufacturers. So, what's your thought about this topic? Do you think this video is useful? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video. Bye!